Welcome back, and in this video this is how to get snipers entries part 2. That's right, not part 1 but part 2. I'm back with how to get sniper entries, so you already know how it goes. Run my intro. Hey friends and new traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt and I teach day traders just like you how to become profitable by teaching different tips and strategies. With that being said, let's get into this one. Alright, so this is just going to be a quick, very quick breakdown on how to get a sniper's entry once again. So simple with the 4 hour. Show you guys what I did. So we had the market going up, 1 point, 2 point. All right, simple on the trend line. All right, and then we had it coming down. You can clearly see market structure right here. New high form, and then structure was obviously broken. So let's say you missed, and then we have the declining trend line as well that I made. Another point right here. So this will obviously be your point of entry. We could draw the Fibonacci as well, right? But I'm not talking about this point of entry. Okay, so say you missed that actual point of entry, which would have been the 38, sorry, the 38 retracement. We got another level. So obviously, for sure now, you know that if say you didn't realize market structure broke, or you did, but you just missed this entry, one thing I like to teach is always look for a retest, right? So we had this trend line that I marked up previously before this one, but I like to always expand it out to the future for reasons like this. So got the low. This is crazy. The high to the low, and the pullback right at the 38, sorry. We got the pullback right at the 38 retracement. Pullback at the 38 retracement. Previous resistance. We got the retest of the trend line. So those are 3 confluences alone just to enter. But this is where you look for the sniper entries, because we're snipers over here at Forever Paid. Where's my entry? And yes, I did break it all the way down to a 5-minute chart, because I like 5-minute charts. So as you can see, so this is the 38 retracement level on the 5-minute, and as you can see, it did come above the 38, but which is fine. You just want to see the retest of the trend line. As you can see, it came up, and then right here we have this engulfing candle right here. And if you want to break it down even further, we do have this break right here, this big candlestick right here. But if you want to be like really precise, instead of entering right here, you could just enter right here, which is just a few pips off, but it's fine. You can enter right here on this big engulfing candle right at the trend line and the 38 retracement level. And as you can see, right after that, it pulled back a little, and that's fine because our stop would be like up here. How many pips would that be? Give or take. You do about 20 pips if you want, if you really want, or you could just like go up to here, 10 pips at this last candle right here. 10 pips, 10 pip stop loss. So say you have a small account, which I wouldn't suggest this, but say you're trading a small account and you want to put like a 10 lot. Say you have like a $500 account and you want to put, not a 10 lot, sorry, you want to put a standard lot. So you put a standard lot, that means that you will want to at least, like, say you want to risk at least $100. So the most you could put on a standard lot to lose $100 will obviously be 10 pips. So you could obviously put like a 10 pip stop loss, like right here. So that'd be like $100. So that is good risk management as well. And then back to the 4 hours. So we got that entry. Actually, let me bring it back for a second. Hold on. So back to the 5-minute. Sorry, you guys. All right, so yeah, so back to the 5-minute. Let me show you guys the actual like entry for this. Short position. So your entry will be right here, and you put your stop like right here. It's gotta be 10 pips. All right, so 10 pips on a standard, with a standard lot would be $100, and then great risk management. So already down here alone would be like almost $500. So this is perfect, like perfect risk management. Say you want to build a small account for you guys. For you guys out there that want to build small accounts, I wouldn't recommend it, but hey, not all of us have the funds or the means to start with a big account. So, and obviously you can see that we're gonna go to the -27 expansion. Take that off. So that's the -28 expansion with a standard lot on a sniper's entry, with a sniper's entry, and we have the confluence, which is the most important, and we have market structure, which is also important. You can see that we could break down the chart and we could get at least almost $850 just off of this one trade, risking only $100. So you'll be up. You just doubled your account pretty much if you're trading like a $400, $500 account. You pretty much doubled your account right there. And then you could also go for the -61.8 as well. And as you can see, that is about $1,300 right there alone, just off of risking 10 pips. So that is a 1 to 13 risk to reward ratio, which is crazy. So that is your sniper's entry part 2. If you find this video informative, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you watch the video again, because you might have not got it the first time, but watch it again. I'm pretty sure it's pretty simple, but just watch it again and you see how easy this thing is. Go on your charts and look for these type of setups. Just look for these type of setups. They're there. That's the thing about this market. You gotta rinse and repeat things over and over again so you guys can understand it, and you pretty much just want to put it in your brain, like you're programmed to see these things. So once it comes up, you're ready to go. You don't hesitate. You got confluences to actually give you more confidence to enter the trade, and you'll be set. So that was Sniper's Entries Part 2 with a little bit of risk management, which I haven't really spoke about in my other videos. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Enjoy the rest of y'all day. I am out. Peace.